Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here from Heinen's Grocery Stores. Thanks so much for stopping in today. I've got two fantastic recipes because it is barbecue season. I'm gonna show you how to make slow roasted pork and slow cooker barbecue chicken. You are gonna love it. I'm gonna start off with the pork recipe. We're not gonna put it in the slow cooker. We are gonna slow cook it in the oven. The oven is the slow cooker before the slow cooker was the slow cooker. I've got a beautiful 3.5 pound pork shoulder roast. What I want to do though is make a nice quick little rub that we can put all over it. We're going to sear it up and put in the oven. For that rub, I've got some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, paprika, and sugar for a little sweetness. We're going to mix all of those ingredients together until they are completely combined, and using a spoon or your hands, whatever you feel comfortable with, we want to coat that pork on all sides, get all those delicious flavors infused to the outside of the pork. Once it is completely covered, we are heading over to our cooktop. I've got a large Dutch oven pot. If you just have a big pot with a lid, that will work as well. And over low heat, we're gonna hit it with just a little bit of oil. Now add that pork. We want to get a nice brown on each side. We're talking 3 to 4 minutes per side. We're looking for a nice browned crust. Think about when you have smoked barbecue, you get that nice bark. We're trying to recreate that in the pan. After it is perfectly brown, we are gonna hit it with a little chicken stock. You could also use beef stock or water. Go ahead and put the lid on. We're going in the oven on 350 degrees. It's gonna take in between 2.5 and 3 hours so that it perfectly shreds apart. And hey, this is perfect timing because we can start on that slow cooker chicken. I've got 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that are in between 8 and 10 ounces each. I want to season them very well with sea salt, fresh cracked black pepper on both sides. Go over to your slow cooker, and on the sear function, I'm going to add in just a little bit of oil. And what I'm looking to do is very similar to the pork. We want to brown it on both sides. Maybe going to take 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once they are perfectly golden brown, give them a flip. Now we're gonna add a little chicken stock in here, place the lid on, we're gonna set it on high. It's gonna take about 3 hours for this to shred apart. Okay, it's been about 3 hours, our pork is done, our chicken is done, and let me just say this. While my pork has a spice rub and my chicken doesn't, you could absolutely swap those. You could just do salt and pepper on the pork and that spice rub for the chicken, or use the spice rub for both. It's totally up to you. The rub can be used in many different ways. It's delicious. I know you will love it. So let's take that pork out of the oven, remove the lid, grab 2 big forks, and what we want to do is shred this apart until it resembles pulled pork, just like you would get from your favorite barbecue restaurant. Now at this point, you can add barbecue sauce. I'm going to do it a little bit later when I pour it over top when I serve it on a sandwich. So speaking of that, let's go ahead and serve it up. I've got a nice bottom part to a bun. I'm just gonna put some pulled pork right on there. Drizzle on your favorite barbecue sauce, and let me say Two Brothers has an awesome barbecue sauce. And in Carolina style, I'm gonna add some creamy coleslaw right on top, put the top bun on, and this is perfection. This is a great way to serve up this sandwich, or you can serve the coleslaw separate, completely up to you. Now for the chicken, let's go have a look at that. It is finished using 2 forks, just like with the pork. We're gonna shred it apart until it is pulled chicken. But this time though, I'm gonna add barbecue sauce right in there and mix all of those delicious sweet barbecue flavors right in with the chicken. Make sure it is completely combined. Now for this, you can serve it up as is, maybe with a little barbecue sauce on top, or put it on a sandwich. Like I said, it's totally up to you. Both these recipes are fantastic, easy to make, great for graduations, barbecue get-togethers. Whatever the case may be, I know you, your family, and your guests will absolutely love it. Got a lot of barbecue to eat. See you next time.